can generate or create the Google Meet link from the Google Classroom. So let's go into our step-by-step sharing. Alright, this is my Google Classroom, and in order for you to get your Meet link, you need to actually go into the specific classroom. So I'm going to use my classroom demo to do as a sharing, right? So every Google Classroom, it will give you the class code, okay? So you can get the class code right here. So this is the one that you can actually copy and share it to your students, yeah? But this is not the Google Meet link. This class code is actually for them to join in to access to your stream, your classwork, your all your gradings and everything else in your classroom, right? So in order for them to join your live session, usually this is what I would do. I will just go to the classwork, and you'll be able to see the calendar right here. So I'm going to add an event, right? So I'm just going to come here, and I'm going to just schedule. Let's say I'm going to do that on the 27th, but I'm going to do it at maybe 28. Yep. And I'm going to do that at 12 p.m. So you can just come here and add your events, right? Okay, so I'm going to just put class 1, and the time I'm going to extend that further, right? Instead of 1 hour, I will actually just do it at till 6 p.m. All right. And this is the part that you need to take note, okay? So if you can see from here, at Google Meet for video conferencing, you need to ensure that you actually turn on these settings, so you'll be able to see this, okay? So you'll be able to have these link right here. So this is the one that over right here, you can copy this link, okay? And you can just come over to here and just put it into the stream by saying that join our classroom now on 28, 11:30 a.m., 6 p.m. All right, so then you can put the link right there. Okay, so I'm just going to post this, and that's it. So when the moment that is on 28th, right, they can just click into this Google Meet link, and they will be able to join the session. So basically, that's it in this video that I would like to share with you on how you can actually, get your Google Meet link from your Google Classroom. So you can leave a comment below and let me know that if you have successfully get your Google Meet link from the classroom. So I hope you like this video. You can help us to like and share, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button, and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.